Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. Within law enforcement agencies, various investigative officers work collaboratively on a single case while functioning in their respective domain of the case to a different inspector altogether. VIDIZMO's Digital Evidence Management has a view dedicated to assigned evidence where an officer can easily access digital evidence and cases shared with them. In this video, we will be taking a look at assigned evidence and cases to you. To view cases assigned to you, navigate to the Assigned folder on the left-hand tab from the home screen of your portal. In this folder, you can see all the cases assigned to you. Similarly, to view assigned evidence to you, click on the Cases filter from the above screen and select Evidence from the drop-down menu. Here, you can view all the evidence assigned to you. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.